Hey, have you ever thought about selling your own products? What if I can show you how to take an audio recorder and make a product that you can sell or even give away to build your customer list? Can you see the potential? If this is something you are interested in, then you are in the right spot because I have a $97 gift for you that will not cost you a penny. There's no catch here, and it will teach you how to do just this. Hello, my name is Alonso. I learned these little tricks from two of the greatest online marketers there, who also taught me the basic principle that will always help you grow any business, and that is to over-deliver. That's why I am giving you this gift. This program is appropriate for marketing, instructional courses, investment, job training, cryptocurrencies, any niche you can think of. Here is what you need. First, you need a Zoom or Skype account. Second, you need an outline or map to follow so you make an audio people want to hear. I will give you a map in a minute. Third, you need to learn how to monetize your knowledge by simply talking about what it is that you are passionate about in life. Now, what is great about this is that you can create one product each week, so year-round, you will have 52 unique products people love that may be generating sales for you. Amazing, right? I have seen audio products selling for $297 each and even higher. It's such a fun process. It does not require fancy equipment, putting yourself on camera, or spending a lot of time. This little secret, only a few people even know about it. You can literally spend an hour each and every week creating these little products, and you will have a complete online business with just the couple first you do. You know what? You can create your products from the top. That was true for one of my mentors when he created his first audio product and almost got electrocuted. I can teach you how to spend an hour making simple audio products that you can have forever to offer to people interested in you, and keep 100% of all profits. If you have been looking for ways how to start an online business, or you have been struggling to create your own products, this is the perfect solution. Look, I am looking for a couple of people that can benefit from this training. Here is the deal. You will receive it for free, and there is absolutely no catch. Number 1, you will receive a mind map that will show you exactly the process you can follow. Number 2, you are going to listen to a private, behind-the-scene, strategy call with a whole outline for you to listen at home, while in the gym, driving the car, even taking a bath. Just be careful. Number 3, you will also learn how to make a transcription of your recordings that you can bundle as an add-on, increasing the value of your finished product. This is set to sell for $97 in the future, and I'm looking for a few people that would like to learn how to do this right now. I promise you, there is no catch. What would you create your first audio product about? Let me know in the comments, and click the link in the description below to get started. You can also visit www.successwithalonso.com/mintbird. Oh, and there is another gift more exciting than the one I just described to you that will blow your mind. Tap the link below to get going, and if you think I over-deliver, drop a comment and hit the like button. I will see you inside the training.